Hello again, Miss Tara here, and today we're going to make some simple sentences using some of the friends that we've already met. So in order to make our sentences, we're going to need our friends' nouns, which is a person, a place, or a thing, and also our friends' verbs, which is an action. So let's go ahead and meet our nouns and our verbs today. So I have some nouns here. So this one, there's a nice little picture, and then we can make this into a word smoothie. So we have us, us, bus. So this is a bus. It's a thing. So we're going to make a sentence about a bus. We also have, take a look, there's your clue, and we're going to go bug. That's also a thing. It's an animal. And then we have this little cutie here, dog. So we are going to make sentences. Those are going to be the stars of our sentences. So let's pick one. What should we start with? Let's do the doggy. So I'm going to put the dog in the middle. Let's straighten up my board. So there's the dog, right? And now I need a verb. So the dog's going to have to do something. Let's meet our actions. And the thing about a sentence is, another thing to keep in mind is it should make sense. So we can make silly sentences like, the dog flies, right? We could do that. But for our lesson, we're going to try and make something that a dog would do. So here's an option. Here we have this word. So this is an action. Let's see. Let's sound it out. And I'm going to give you a hint. The A and the R say R, like a pirate. R, K. So, R, K. What do you hear? I hear bark. And then I have an S. So, barks. Does a dog bark? Yes, it does. So I can put dog and bark next to each other because that makes sense. So now I have, my sentence say dog barks? I'm missing something right here. So we also need help from a sight word, right? So let's see what we have here. Here's our friend. This is a sight word. It's also called an article. We put it in front of a noun. It helps us to know what noun, right? So if I put this in front of it, what word is this? Take a look. This, we just kind of have to know it, but I'll give you a hint. TH makes a the sound, and the E just goes So this is the word the. You can also pronounce it the. So when I say the dog, right, I'm talking about a specific dog, maybe your dog at home. If I say a dog, it could be any dog, anywhere. So I'm going to put this in front, and now I have the dog barks. That makes sense, right? A dog can bark. Do you know what is missing from my sentence? So my word here, my first word starts with a capital, which is how we know it's a new sentence. And then I have my noun and my verb. Now I need something to tell my reader that it's the end of my sentence. So I need a period. I'm going to use these fun little smiley stickers, because why not? So there we go. Ooh, it fell down. Let's try it. You know what? It doesn't want to stick. There we go. So there's my sentence. let's try another one, and let's start with our article this time. So let's try, what's this one? This is a word and a letter. It's the letter A. So when I talk about A and my noun, I'm talking about all of them everywhere. So let's see. Let's do this one. So this was my friend Bug. So a bug. So I'm not talking about a specific bug. I'm just talking about one. So a bug. All right, let's try this one. So this is a longer word. We can see that there are some. Let's sound it out. Huh. And here, look. Here's a word there. Do you guys know what sight word that is? If you can find sight words in other words, it helps. So this is the word on. So I know this is huh, on, k, honk. And then I add the S, honks. Does a bug honk? No, I don't know if that fits. Let's try the next one. How about this? Let's try this one. Run. Run. And then I add my S. Runs. Can a bug run? Yes. So I'm going to add that. So I have a bug runs. And then I need my period at the end of my sentence because I'm done. Otherwise, we don't know if it's the end or not. Okay, here's my last one. I hope this makes sense because that's all the words that I have. Okay, so we're going to start with our article, right, our sight word. Remember, this one is the, T-H-E, the. So I have the. Oh, it's our friend bus. So the bus. And you guys remember what this one was? So remember, we found a sight word inside, so that was on, honks, honks. The bus honks. Does that make sense? Can a bus honk? Yes, it can. The person inside can definitely honk. All right, and I'm done. So I'm going to put my smiley face dot at the end. So we have made 3 different sentences using our nouns, right? These are all things, or animals and things. And then we have our action words, right? So we can actually see the dog barking. It's going to make a sound. We can see the bug running, right? And we can hear the bus honking. And then we put our sight words at the front to tell us if it was just this specific dog or am I talking about all dogs. And then I have my period at the end. Well, this was a very fun lesson. I like that we were able to use some of the things that we've been learning and put them together and make something bigger. So I've added some practice for you guys. I have a word bank, right? So I have some words similar to these, and you guys can make your own sentences, right? Sound the words out using your word smoothie trick, right? And have fun with this. All right. I'll see you next time. Bye.